Hey there, my name is Retarget and I'd like to show you a quick demonstration of ConnectRetarget so you can see firsthand how it works and how it will help you grow your business. As you probably already know, you can show Facebook ads to those who have visited your website using Facebook retargeting. And the problem is that Facebook assumes that every visitor on your site is the exact same. Well, the truth is the complete opposite of that. And this means that you'll be showing the same ads and you'll be spending the same amount of money to those who, for example, left your site within 2 seconds because they're not even remotely interested in what you're offering, and those who have spent at least 3 minutes on your site and scrolled all the way down on your sales page, for example. And that's where ConnectRetarget comes in. Using ConnectRetarget, you're able to retarget your visitors based on their behavior on your site, bringing the possibilities of retargeting to a whole new level. Here's how it works. First, you copy paste the ConnectRetarget Power Pixel onto your website, which works on any website platform out there. ConnectRetarget will then automatically capture all the behavioral data of your visitors and send that over to Facebook. And from this point on, you can then retarget your audience based on things you never imagined were possible, which you'll be doing using our intuitive and easy to use drop-down interface. Simply select your Facebook ads account, enter a name and URLs to target, and select the segment of your audience that you'd like to reach. So let's go over some of the things that you can use to target a specific segment of your audience using ConnectRetarget. You can segment based on how long they're staying on your site, for example, as well as how far they have scrolled down on your page, showing how engaged they really are with what you're offering. You can also retarget your audience based on where they were coming from before they visited your website. So, for example, you could show a video ad to someone who came from YouTube while excluding visitors from sites that are known for sending low quality traffic, for example. You can also target them based on how many pages they visited on your site, which is also a great indication of how engaged they really are. And if you want to remind people on a special offer that you recently ran, you can even target those who visited your site during those specific dates so you know they have seen that offer for sure. And obviously part of your audience will be visiting your site on their mobile phone, so why not target them separately when they're back on their desktop device ready to buy? You might be running various marketing campaigns as well in your business. Now, using ConnectRetarget, you can segment visitors from each of those campaigns separately as well. And obviously you can combine any of those to come up with the best performing retargeting audiences for your business. Once you click Create Audience, we'll automatically create a custom audience in your Facebook ads account so that you can target your ads to those people. To make it even easier, we've included a large set of proven audience templates, so you only need to enter the URL of your site and you're good to go. It's that easy. So by now you should understand that this really changes the retargeting game. While your competitors are still trying the one-for-all approach, you'll be running ads to those who are most interested in your product or service instead of spending money on people who aren't even remotely interested in the first place. And you'll be doing it in a much more targeted way than before. Hope you like this demonstration video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.